We provide AdSense approval course, AdSense loading arbitration course, YouTube watch time course, and YouTube CPM work course. For more information, contact us on WhatsApp. So hi guys, welcome to this AdSense loading course. Guys, first thing I want to say to you is thank you for buying this course. Please follow the steps that I share in this course. So very carefully, because you don't miss anything. Because if you miss anything, maybe you earn less money than you have mind to earn. Okay, so this is a very complicated, but first thing, first you will do it. This is very easy for you again and again. Okay, so as you are fresher, as you are new in AdSense loading or AdSense arbitrage, and are you confused what is AdSense loading or AdSense arbitrage, this course will helpful for you. This is my third update course. It's mean 2 times I start my course, and this time is a 3 times I update my course. This is a new update in this course. Also I add new things in this course, so people who buy first also they get update. And in future, as new things are coming in AdSense arbitrage industry, I will add in this course, so you will update every time. So let's start the course.
First of all, you will see I earn $32, and here I will refresh, and guys, here you can see I earn $32 today and $16 used today. And if you see my 7-day earning, I earn $223. Okay, so here you can see I have very less page views. Okay, so I earn this money because my CPC is very good. And here you can see the RPM. My RPM is 94, and here you see I have only 525 page views. I have only 8 clicks, and here you can see my CPC. The first thing is the best thing is my CPC is $4. How low is CTR? It's good. Okay, you can see here I have usually my traffic, my earning from United States. And if I select the okay today so far, here you can see my earnings that I earn today. Okay,
So guys, let's understand what is AdSense loading and what is AdSense arbitrage. So mostly people use these two phrases to explain it or call for AdSense loading or AdSense arbitrage, but the both are same things. Okay, so you have a AdSense approved website and you have AdSense account. Now mostly we start earning this if you have organic traffic on your website. It's very good, you start earning, but mostly we don't get any organic traffic. There's many reasons. Okay, I share in this course step by step. Now also I upload this video which I explain why you don't get organic traffic, so you can watch it. Now guys, we need visitor, we need traffic for earn money. Okay, not only if you have website or you have AdSense approval, you don't earn money if you don't get any traffic, you don't get any visitor on your website. So now you have a website, you have traffic, you have AdSense, so you think you will earn money. But this model called RPM. Okay, I will guide you what is RPM. RPM stand for revenue per 1,000 impression. It simple mean if you get 1,000 impression on your ads, okay, from your whole website, different pages, on single page, you get 1,000 impression, you will earn the CPM. What is your RPM is, you will earn that money. Okay, for example, if your RPM is $6, you need 100 impressions on your ad, then you will earn $6. It's mean if you have a 500 or 700 visitor, so you will earn only $6. Okay, so this is how it works. So this model is very very bad. If you have millions traffic, you will earn money per month at least $200 or $300 with this model, RPM model. But then we need clicks. Okay, let's say if so people come on your website and they click on your website ads. Okay, so what is your CPC? You will earn that money. So we have people usually don't click on ads because they don't buy anything. They don't buy, mostly people in the third world countries like African countries, Asian countries like Pakistan, India, and the other country that social media is not using well. E-commerce website is very low, so people don't buy online anything. I think, because I have e-commerce website, I have e-commerce store, I have a mobile affiliate website, so I know very well, and I work on everywhere, so I target every audience. So I know people don't click, don't buy anything easily, but in Western countries they buy. Okay, now cost per click, CPC, means, okay, if you have 0.25, you want to earn $1, so you need 4 click to earn $1. Okay, let me explain. If you have a CPC only 20 cent, 25 cent, so you want to earn $1, so you need 4 click. If you get 4 click, you will earn $1. This is the model. Okay, so people usually don't click on anything. So here the concept of self click, you can use self click with the VPN or proxies that I explain in my course, because if you do too much, your CTR increase, your AdSense will be disabled. So now in self click we have VPN or proxies. So let's say you get a VPN, or that I share in my course for free. So you will get a VPN or start browsing, or you have proxies, but you have a limit to click. If you click too much, your CTR will be increased. If your CTR will be increased, there's a high chance that your AdSense will be disabled. So you have to follow the whole step that I explain in my course in my next videos, step by step. Now the CTR, what is the CTR is, I will tell you. Now CTR is the number of clicks that your ad revenue divided by the number of time your ad is showing. For example, if you have 5 clicks and 1100 impressions, then your CTR would be 5%. Okay, so your CTR will be 5% if you get 100 impressions or 5 clicks. Okay, so you need, if you want to control only 5% or 10% CTR is good. I show in my video, in the same video when I start, I show you my CTR is only 2 or something. Okay, so 2% or something. So 5% is maximum CTR. I explain in my course in my next video how you can control it and how you can do everything. So control your CTR. We use different methods. We use ad campaigns or something. I will show you. Like, now to control CTR, we have to drive traffic from social media and convert into organic traffic. Okay, in my course I will share the codes which you drive any traffic. You can convert this traffic to organic traffic, like traffic come from backlinks. Okay, so this is how it works. So you have to drive traffic from, there are many social media like Quora, LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok. There's many social media accounts. So you can start looking for Facebook groups or communities which you can share your website link, and people want to really click there. Because if you join the same interest, if you have website, let's say you have a website about fitness, and you will join the and you will join the group of fitness or communities, you will create for your own. Okay, so you have very easy to drive traffic to your website. It's very easy. to drive traffic to your website, because all people there is a gym people or fitness people looking for fitness tips and tricks and looking for fitness products. So if you share the link of your website that have product of weight lose or gym products, gym equipments, so it will high chance they click on the website. The same field, every field have group on Facebook, so you have any category your website, you just find a the group, and then you can, I explain in my course very easily this everything. Okay, I have a specific video for everything. Also I will share 5 proxy methods that will explain how you can do it. Okay, so you have to run ad campaign also. Okay, if your CTR increase, you have to run ad campaign. There are many ad campaign platforms. I show you in my next video. In this course, in the next video I will share everything. So this is you have to run campaigns. If you run campaigns, it will traffic come from campaigns. If you run campaign in Google ads or Facebook ads, then your AdSense will be safe, but they are very expensive. There are more ad networks like Russian websites, and that I explain in my course, so you get traffic from there. Look, if you don't have proper knowledge, don't start AdSense loading. You have to learn first. This course is only $30, so there's no big amount, you can buy easily. Also, this is my live sport, which I can explain everything. If anytime you need my if you need my help, I will there. Okay, so you have to follow my method, follow my steps, so you will easily generate good revenue from your AdSense approved website. Also I have a course of how you can get AdSense approval easily. So before I close this video, please like this video if you're watching on YouTube, and if you are watching in course, so thank you for buying the course. Also, if you have any kind of question or query, you can ask me anytime. Thank you.
Before we start this video, please subscribe my channel. And if you want to get AdSense approval for Blogger or WordPress site, or you want to AdSense loading services, even you want to learn AdSense loading with complete tools, complete methods, even you want to do CPM work on your monetized YouTube channel without any effect on your channel, even you want YouTube watch time, complete course or services for YouTube watch time, you can contact me, number on screen. We provide these services, also we provide the courses as